Costa Rica.
Costa Rica!
Costa Rica. Welcome to Costa Rica.
Home of bananas.
Costa Rica is over 5,000 miles southwest of the UK, across the Atlantic Ocean in Central America. It is smaller in size than Scotland, but much warmer. It's located between the Caribbean and the Pacific Ocean. Despite Costa Rica's small size, it is very biodiverse. This means it has many different kinds of animals and plants. In fact, there are more types of plants and animals here than in the whole of Europe. The warm weather in Costa Rica is exactly why this is such a good place to grow bananas. As a tropical fruit, bananas need to grow here in the tropics. All of the countries you can see here are tropical and are located on the equator. Here it's hot all year round. From December to April it's the dry season, and from May to November it's the rainy season. It has three main types of area: beautiful beaches, green lush rainforests, and volcanoes. Inland are the rainforests like the Braulio Carrillo National Park. The rainforests are a protected place. They are special because the trees and plants clean the air we breathe. There are many animals that live here in the rainforest, including reptiles, mammals, and hundreds of different types of exotic birds. Along with the lush green areas, it has some of the most active volcanoes in the world. This one is called Poás. There are 6 active volcanoes here in Costa Rica, and another 61 that lie dormant. But it's not just plants and animals that live here in Costa Rica. It has a population of 4.7 million, and 1.1 million of those are children just like you. Children who live here in Costa Rica can expect to spend at least 14 years in school, learning about many of the same things as you. After leaving school, lots of people work in agriculture, as it's one of the main sources of income. And here in Costa Rica, one fruit that provides many jobs for the local community is bananas. Each year, Costa Rica grows up to 2 million tons of bananas. That's 10 billion bananas a year.